Marumo Gallants 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Referee blows the whistle and the match starts. The first few minutes of the game, each team is trying to find itself, rotating the ball between each other. 9 minutes inside the game, there's a cross to a Marumo Gallants player inside the box. Nice header by the Marumo Gallants player, but the ball goes straight to Peterson, making it a comfortable save. A few minutes later, there's a defensive error by Kaizer Chiefs players. The ball lands at the Marumo Gallants player, but they don't capitalize of the opportunity, and the ball is struck wide by a Marumo Gallants player. A few minutes later, Kaizer Chiefs wins a free kick at the edge of the Marumo Gallants box. There's a bit of indecision by Marumo Gallants player with the ball moving around the box, which ends up on the opposite side by Velabai, who takes a shot that hits the side of the net. In the 32nd minute, a Kaizer Chiefs defender kicks the ball inside the Marumo Gallants box. No communication between the Marumo Gallants goalkeeper and defender. The ball ends up going towards the goalpost, but a Marumo Gallants defender makes a clearance. Each team has a fair amount of attacks on each other. A few shots by Kaizer Chiefs players, a few shots by Marumo Gallants players. Most of the shots go wide. Each team is poor at decision making whenever they're in the final third. There is no one team that's dominating, with each team having a fair amount of possession throughout the first half. Referee blows the whistle and it's half time. The score is 0-0 with only one shot on target. I think both teams needs to make substitutions so that they can change up the game. Referee blows the whistle and halftime returns. So far, each team has been struggling to break each other's defensive line. A few minutes later, there's a Kaizer Chiefs attack. Marumo Gallants defender makes a poor clearance. The ball goes straight to a Kaizer Chiefs player who hits the shot, but the shot is saved by the Marumo Gallants goalkeeper. Just like the first half, fair amount of attacks from each team. Kaizer Chiefs attacking, Marumo Gallants attacking. There's really nothing to show from each team's attack. In the 66th minute, Kaizer Chiefs are attacking Marumo Gallants. The ball ends up by Lilepo, who tries to make a cross inside the box, but the cross ends up being a goal. No one saw it coming. What a spectacular goal by Lilepo. Marumo Gallants 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. It's a lucky goal by Lilepo, but by the amount of times they've been attacking, they deserve something to show for it. It's going to be difficult for Marumo Gallants to score an on-form Brendan Peterson. It will need some magic like it took Lilepo to score that one goal. Marumo Gallants have dropped down ever since conceding that goal. A few minutes later, there's more attacks by Kaizer Chiefs trying to get a second goal, but it's either the goalkeeper makes the save or the shot goes wide. Marumo Gallants are trying their best to equalize, but it's a little too late. Marumo Gallants right now are another example of a team that waits to concede before turning it up a notch. Unfortunately, there's not enough time and Kaizer Chiefs defense has been solid. Referee blows the whistle and the game is over.